Welcome, here I've got NOKIA G50 5G and let me show you how to change aspect ratio in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Now let's move up to the second from the right button. Here we can manage our aspect ratio. We are in 4:3 with 12 megapixels. 4:3 is also available here with 48 megapixels, the best possible quality of this camera, so this is how to get access to it. Another tab and let's move to left to the square one, 1:1 aspect ratio. Here we can also change it to 16:9, a little bit longer than 1:1 and 4:3. And when we move to the right, we can pick full one, so for now we have full camera frame. And of course you can change it to whatever you need. Now let me move back to 4:3, the original one. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.